Hi everyone, welcome to Augmintech. Today we are going to talk about a very upcoming and trendy topic, which is smart homes and technology in interior design. So what all can we do in terms of technology and smart home integration in interior design? So to start with, first thing that is very popular and something which we all do is IoT, which is called Internet of Things. What we are trying to do with this is that we are trying to connect devices to smart lighting, thermostats, security systems, and appliances that can be controlled remotely via smartphones or voice commands. We are trying to create a connection between internet and whatever is there surrounding us. Whatever do we have in our homes, be it your lighting, be it your security system, be it your locks. Also, it helps us to personalize. IoT enables personalized automation based on user preferences and habits. For example, smart thermostats can learn your schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly. These devices and appliances that we get these days, they have amazing software technology wherein you can feed in them when and how do you want your lighting to work, when and how do you want your security system to work. Nowadays we also have a very specific kind of lighting which generally comes into your smart home automation, but it's the kind of light that changes color and changes temperature according to the time of the day or according to the location that you fill in. Also, the picture that you see on your screen, now that's how it is telling you to lock your door. So you can see if your door is locked with the help of your phone only. You don't have to go outside, check if the door is locked or not. You can always take care of that using your apps on your phone. So this is number one. Second thing, which is again something which is now very popular, AI, which is artificial intelligence. Now how can we use AI for interior design? Number one, smart assistants. Voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant can control multiple smart devices, providing hands-free operation and enhancing convenience. Now, people do get this a lot. They do have Alexa or voice control devices available throughout their houses, and they give it commands to either turn off the music, turn off the lights, or if they want to just talk to each other while being in separate rooms. So these kinds of assistants are very convenient in today's world if you want to work with that. We also have AI based cleaning systems which are now mopping the floors, cleaning everything based on the location, based on the layouts that have been feeded in them. Secondly, AI driven design. Now, AI is not something which only you can work within the interiors, that you can get AI to do work for you, but AI can analyze user preferences and behaviors to make a personalized design recommendation, optimizing the layout and decor of a space. I get asked this question a lot. Can AI replace interior designers? Can we actually create designs using AI? I always say AI is your assistant. AI does not know your client like you do. You can talk to the client and you can get to know their preferences, their likings, their background, their culture, everything. And then you can feed that on your AI platform and you can get the recommendations. You can, ask AI, what should I create for them? So that could be a help that you can get through AI, which is going to make your work and life a little bit more easier. So you can quickly create designs, you can create multiple options for them, but it's not something which is going to actually do everything. Yeah, so we have to be the, you can say, the people who are making use of AI. AI is not going to work on its own. Now, the third part is automation. Now, automation is not new. Automation is something that people have been doing for a long time now. Now, automation based on lighting. So number one, automation that we see a lot in residential spaces and in interior spaces is smart lighting. Smart lighting systems can adjust brightness and color temperatures based on the time of the day or user activity. Now let me tell you, the new technologies which have come in, they are also replicating the location weather, and the actual sunlight. So they are creating panels which are acting exactly like sunlight, and the light adjusts itself. Like if it's a morning sun, it's going to give you a different kind of a temperature. If it's the evening sun, it's going to give you a different type of temperature. If you're buying this product and putting it in Africa, it is going to take location for that. And if you're in India and you still want to live like, you want to see the daylight and effects of what happens in a forest in Tanzania or somewhere else, you can do that as well. So you can, being in India, being at one place in India, you can explore the options of how the daylight happens throughout the world. How this helps is, this also helps people who are working, the opposite shifts. So they're working at nights and they're sleeping in the days. So at night they can create the atmosphere of day in their houses. So that's how automation really helps. Second thing is automated window coverings. Now we do have window coverings, the blinds and curtains, which can be controlled remotely, improving energy efficiency and comfort. So this makes it very easy for everybody to control. So if you are sitting somewhere and you just want to open the blinds of your lobby area or the living area, you can do it within your reach. You don't have to actually move. So that's like a comfortable solution with which maybe if you are busy and you're unable to go out, you can do it with your phone. So that saves a lot of energy as well. So this is the number 3. Now number 4 option, which AI can actually help, or smart home technology is AR and VR, which is augmented reality and virtual reality. Now this is something that we as designers use a lot for visualization. AR and VR tools allow designers and clients to visualize design changes in real time, helping them make informed decisions before any physical changes are made. Virtual tours. VR can provide immersive virtual tours of a space, allowing clients to experience the design before it's built. So these tools are so powerful that you can actually walk into the space with your device and you can feel the exact, way how the space is going to look like after it's done, after the design is done. Now the other thing, which is the visualization part, here many people are using it as their customized software. So many kitchen designers, many wardrobe designers are using them to show their client immediately. So if you change this color, this is how it's going to look like. So these kind of VR and AR products are very helpful in terms of creating new designs, getting client appreciation, or getting client approvals. So this is that part. And finally, number 5 is future proofing. Now we all know that in today's world, if you don't have a smart home, it is going to get outdated very soon. We are in an era where AI is going to be very big in, let's say a year or maybe 6 months, we don't know. So we have to think about future proofing. Now designing spaces that can easily adapt to new technologies and devices ensures longevity and flexibility. So if we start building on, we take up technology which is going to in a way update itself later on, we can start with that and we can keep updating that for future. So this is going to create a space which is more likely to be used for 10 years, 15 years or more. Second, upgradable systems. So if we create, choosing modular and upgradable systems allows for easy updates as technology advances. So we know that there is, so if you have automated lighting, if you have, maybe you have voice control in your home, later on if you want to upgrade that, you can simply upgrade it through the software, right? So smart home technology does all of this. It makes the life of the client as well as the designer easier. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned and watch some more such videos on our channel. Thank you so much.